how long has it been now that you've had the clothes up and hanging?
For about 30 minutes. And I'm loving it so far.
Hi, and welcome to the very first advice series where I'm doing some online coaching with some of you who are looking for organizing advice. The first one I'm going to share is with Amy and Sam. We actually did online coaching a while ago, over a few weeks, and this transformation made me cry like a baby.
We are here with Amy, and if you watch Hot Mess House, you're going to recognize this gorgeous face of hers. And so, yeah, I'm going to introduce Amy, and just tell us a little bit about yourself and your home, Amy.
I'm a mom of 4, and they're all amazing, and 2 out of 4 are started back in school, so that's great. We recently moved into this home in April, and we lived in 1,000 square feet on post. My husband is Army, and then he surprised us, bought a new home, 4,200 square feet, 3,600 living square feet. We decided to move to our basement, but it also, along with it being a bedroom, it also became a storage room for all of the things, because we still have too much stuff and we're working on decluttering. So there's a lot of work to be done down here, but I know with Cass, it'll be awesome.
So really, I think, Amy, you can probably agree. The thing is, you know how to organize and you know what you're doing. It comes down to accountability, motivation, and for you, a little bit of perfectionism.
Yes. Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, so we're going to show how to help people virtually. So take it away. Show us your space.
Okay. All right. So, like I said, we live in this is the basement, but as you walk down the stairs, this is what you see. So we have a bed, we have a closet, a portable closet, because this was an unfinished basement. There's another portable closet on top of the bed. And the bed just basically became a storage area, more laundry. And then this is the space that my husband worked on to try and clear out. But as you can see, there's still plenty of room for improvement. And unfortunately, I think these bins are all filled with clothes too. We still have moving boxes from when we moved here in April, because that's how we roll.
Tell everybody what your organizing style is.
I am a bee.
Yes, you are like such a bee. Such a bee.
Yes.
So you're a visual organizer, you're meticulous. That doesn't mean that we want to see all your stuff, but it does mean that you need things to be easy to access, easy to put away, and the things you use every single day, there might as well be out because you're going to leave it out anyways.
Yes.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
So we're going to create homes that are visual for the clothes that you're wearing all the time. Let's talk first about how we're going to declutter, Amy. We're decluttering, right? I'm looking and I'm seeing like home decor mixed with clothing, mixed with pistachios, mixed with tools. And it's like, there's not a lot of zoning going in this space. And I know why, because you're saying it's an unfinished space. There's no floor. We're not sleeping down here anyways. Why would I bother?
Yeah.
It's way too big of a job. So we're going to break it down into really tiny projects, tiny jobs for you that you can accomplish. So first of all, you feel proud of yourself and you can see results. Step 1 is going to be a super easy one. And that's just removing things that don't belong from this space and putting them where they do. So the awning's going to go in the garage or the storage. The crafts, extra craft supplies are going to go in a section where you're going to put craft supplies. Your home decor stuff is going to go in the attic, right? We're just the tools, maybe I'm just saying, maybe some of the tools. I want you really to look around and say, when this room is finished, do I want this in here? And if the answer is no, we're relocating it. And even if we don't have a perfect home for that right now, that's okay. I'd rather see it in the storage room or the attic or the garage than in here. And that right off the bat is going to make you feel so much better about the space because you're not going to have as much visual stimulation going on. I'm overwhelmed. And as a bee, you guys your head must be spinning.
Yes.
Because everywhere you look, you see projects. Oh crap, we should be drywalling. Oh my gosh, I should be doing this. Oh my gosh, I should be sorting this. Oh my gosh, I should be doing it. And then you're like, I'm exhausted from thinking about doing stuff. Your second homework, before we see your gorgeous faces again, I want the bed to be cleared off so you can pile it with clothes.
Okay.
And start saying, do we wear this? Do we love it? Nope, 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 nope. Making a big to-go pile. Both of you, Sam, you too. Let's make some friendly competition. Let's have a declutter box for both of you, or bags for both of you, and see who can get more.
Okay.
Because I feel like you guys love the competition. And I want to challenge you to make that pile as big as possible. And just ask yourself, does this look great on me? Would I buy it again? And even if you lose the weight, would I still like want to put this on my body? And if the answer is no, it's got to go. And I think you haven't done that up until now, only because it's a little bit of everywhere. It's like there's clothing everywhere, so you're not seeing the huge pile. So as much as I don't love the Marie Kondo method, I kind of want you to Marie Kondo your clothing. I know, Amy, listen, but I want you to gather it. And then second phase will be starting to finish drywalling and create homes for things, more organization. But we're just going to start with 1, getting everything out that doesn't belong, and 2, decluttering the clothing.
We got this. Oh my gosh, yes.
Okay, I'm very excited. This is going to be a transformation, you guys. You guys watching.
I hate to say that we regressed a little bit. The space has kind of filled up again, but progress, not perfection, right, Cass?
That's so right. So are you sleeping in this space now?
Yes, we are.
Okay. Well, that's something. So show me what you got so far.
So this is our bed, and it's kind of made. We brought costumes down for a video I was doing. This is all cleared off minus the clothes I just put on there that I changed out of today to work. And then this is the wall that we painted with the closet space. So we are planning on putting a rod here, and that'll be for Sam's clothes because he has far less than I do. And then his jeans. So these are all my jeans, and then his jeans will go on this right here. And then underneath, we will have one solid one for shoes.
Oh,
so, yeah.
I'm loving it. And you found this, like, you got a deal because you got this secondhand, yes?
Yes, we got on Facebook Market for like $75, and it's like a $280 system.
I'm looking at that and I'm like, it is big, but I know you have a lot of clothes. Are you
This is actually it. This is all my clothes.
That's it? Okay. That's
I purchased a lot. Yeah. I mean, besides my like shirts and stuff that are in my drawers over here, like just my casual stuff, but this is all like my nice stuff. Yeah. I got rid of a lot, Kat.
I am so proud of you. I am so proud of you. Good job. And I love that it's an open closet. How are you feeling? Like how long has it been now that you've had the clothes up and hanging?
For about 30 minutes. Yeah. And I'm loving it so far.
So after doing the initial walkthrough and then giving them some decluttering homework and then more decluttering homework, we met again to do some organizing homework. This was the moment where I got to see the reveal. I wasn't sure what to expect because they're very busy. They had a lot of just life hitting them during this whole journey. And so I literally had no idea what to expect, and I was blown away.
There was a lot of clothes. There was like half-filled totes, and there was shelving, and there was a lot of tools. There was snacks stashed here and there. There was home decor. Basically, I feel like this is the space where you just hid everything from upstairs. You sort of just tossed it down here to deal with later. But this is your bedroom.
Yeah, there was no hiding it. Like even upstairs, it trickled up the stairs too. And in fact, you can still see some tricklage, but that's okay. This is real life, man. We no pretending here. So that's exciting. And we're so excited to reveal the bedroom.
Shut the front door. Oh my gosh.
We did it. This is the room. So this is the space. And we actually, even though we are bees, we didn't want to have too much out on display just because so much of the room is like an open closet. And so that already felt very busy enough. But, you know, we put little finishing touches here and there of our own style. And then we created our own little living space over here.
This is like a bee dream come true.
Yeah. Well, so I'm not very good with the whole color coordination because like I was struggling with length and I'm like, dang, I can't do length and then colors at the same time because it just doesn't work. So we bought this IKEA system, I think for like $75 on Facebook Market. And Sam just screwed in these 4 like grids. I don't know what they're called. But they're basically, I can do a close-up of it. But basically these little shelves connect into it and you can do it at any height all the way down to the floor. And so, yeah, so it's really neat because you can adjust them at any height at all. And I still have 4 more shelves that I didn't use just so that I can keep it open, you know, and enjoy just all of this stuff.
This is absolutely breathtaking.
Oh my gosh, thank you.
You guys have worked so hard. You drywalled, you painted, you decorated. Like when we first saw this space, it was just a dumping ground. I mean, did you buy new furniture? Is this the furniture you had?
This was the furniture we already had. Yeah, and we uncovered our fridge too, so there's our fridge. But yeah, this is the same furniture we had, and this is the same bedding that I'd had, but I just didn't want to put it on our bed in our nasty, filthy basement until it was a bedroom.
How inspiring is this? If you guys watching, please tell me you're inspired. Amy has 4 kids and is crazy busy, and look what she's done, just making herself a priority. And Sam, and I know Sam has worked his butt off too, because I see a lot. But I mean, I am so just, I'm feeling so inspired, and I know that you're going to help so many other people.
You have to know, though, that none of this would have happened without you, of either, you know, you giving us tough love or guiding us kind of along the way of like, hey, don't be overwhelmed. I know you got a lot of crap, so let's take it one crap at a time. And like, you just stuck with us the whole time. And even when we didn't make a deadline or, you know, you were still so encouraging, and it just means the world to us to always have a cheerleader, and that's what you do for everybody here. And so I'm so grateful because without you, I wouldn't have this dream space for myself.
This will change your life, and I'm so happy for you.
Thank you so much. And Sam is a mess too, just so you know. Thanks for everything you're saying, because you've made crybabies out of all of us. So
I'm a crybaby. You know me, I cry too all the time. Let's all cry together. Okay.
All right. Thank you, Cass.
So congratulations, you guys. Honestly, be so proud of yourselves. Have a good sleep tonight. Cuddle up on that sofa and watch a movie this weekend. Kick the kids upstairs. They're not allowed down here. You deserve this.
I hope you're feeling as inspired as I was watching that transformation. They went from a space that was a dumping ground. They weren't sleeping in it. It was just storage. It was a complete disaster, to a bedroom suite that is like my dream come true. And they did it all themselves on a very shoestring budget with just hard work and determination. I cried like a baby. This is so life-changing for them, and they deserve it. And I can't wait to share more transformations like this coming up. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you soon. Thank you guys so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. I'm gonna be so buff at the end of these few months because here in New York, you have to walk everywhere, and I don't walk. I don't exercise at all. I want to, but I hate it. And so everything here, they're like, it's a few blocks this way or a little bit here. It's like 20 minutes everywhere I have to go. Sometimes a full hour, and to New Yorkers, that's nothing. I was taking Ubers, but what I found was like a 10-minute walk is a 25-minute Uber. So you're like paying a bunch of money to get there slower. And so I gave up on that, and now I'm walking. Starbucks is 17 minutes in one direction. That's the closest one. And I bought some things at H&M. I have to return them today. That's a 45-minute walk in one direction. I came back after shopping one day and it was like buns of steel. My legs were burning. My usual walk involves from my bed to the fridge to my computer back to my bed. So this is new for me. I'm gonna be ripped, you guys. I'll see you next time.